Cadillac Queen, y'all hear me knocking when y'all let me in. So y'all can see YouTube. Headers are in that thing. Long tubes. Show y'all. Sorry about the finger. See that long tube? Just wanted to give y'all an update. Mufflers are finna go on as we speak. Long tube headers, man. It's a whole nother animal now. Flowmasters are finna go on. Then we can drop that oil pin at the bottom. Get to that rear main seal that I've been talking about. Then we can get to the intake manifold and carburetor. And yeah, man. So we got everything going, man. All right, YouTube, y'all finna hear. We at the shop. Y'all see what time it is. I'm gonna get the mufflers put on. Y'all hear that thing? She dirty, man. I've been working on her. Daytime runners on her. That's straight pipe. Straight pipe with y'all hand. Into the muffler shop she go, y'all. There you go. Yep. A little bit more. There you go. There we go. I'm gonna pull these mufflers out. This is my boy right here. Shout out to Instagram, man.
What's up?
Where they can find you at?
Big Black Z71.
Big Black Z71. Y'all heard him, man. Oh yeah, for that steering wheel cover right there. He came in today too, y'all. So yeah, man, this is my boy, man. He the best welder in town, for sure, you know. Best welder in town.
We gonna get you done right.
Yes, sir. Yeah, she going up, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all don't forget to hit that share button, that subscribe button. Jump into the inbox and y'all tell me what y'all think about how to sound with the open headers. And after it's all done, I'm gonna update y'all with the Flowmasters on, and we're gonna see how she sound, y'all. So matter of fact, y'all, before I cut out, when he lift it up, we get up under there. I can show y'all how those long tubes look and the future of what I need to do with the oil pan and all that. She a little leaky too, man. I found a couple of new leaks, but what happened when the car is 44 years old, y'all? I can see them long tubes right there. Show y'all underneath. All right, y'all. Y'all see the long tubes. Long tube headers. That shit took a lot of work. Now this oil pan, they gotta go. Y'all know I got the chrome one that I updated y'all with. But with the factory manifold I had, I couldn't drop this oil pan. Now I can drop it because it's out the way. The crossover pipe out the way. I got the transmission chrome. Extra capacity transmission pan, all that. I'm gonna have to tighten this up too, y'all. But yeah, man, y'all get in them comments and tell me what y'all think. Over now until the next time.